All you need to know about personal finance. Financial literacy is very important to achieve a high-quality life with limited financial resources. The process of planning and managing personal financial activities, such as income generation, spending, savings, budgeting, investing, retirement, banking, debt, mortgages, protection, insurance, tax, and estate planning, are called personal finance. Having a plan on the ground for your finances is crucial, as it allows you to make the most of your properties or assets and gain more confidence in your life. Of all the personal finance activities, budgeting and savings are not only fundamental but critical. If you don't have a good budget and enough savings, you will not have money for investing and growing your retirement account. Once you have savings, firstly, you need to set aside some money for emergencies. In case your car breaks down, you need medical care, or you lose your job. The general rule of thumb is to save enough money to cover 6 months of your expenses. Then, you can deposit the same amount of money each month to your tax-free special account, like Roth IRA or TFSA, and invest in an ETF tracking S&P 500 index. This is the best and easiest way to invest in the stock market. So, what is a budget? A budget is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period. It is just as simple as a formula. Your income minus your spending equals your savings. How to create a budget? Creating a budget is very easy. First, you make a note of all of your income and expenditures for a month. Then group all your expenditures into variable or fixed costs. Fixed costs are costs that do not change periodically, such as your rent, your car, insurance, or your electricity and gas bills. Variable costs, on the other hand, are those costs that change periodically, including money spent on groceries, nights out, or any other expenses you incur that will require paying for them again. To make your monthly budget, add up the total amount of money you spend every month from fixed and variable expenses. Then, subtract that amount from your monthly income. Whatever you have left over is your savings. Try to put 20% of your income towards savings. The more you save each month for investing, the better your retirement account will be. To save money, you may need to do the following activities. Assess your variable expenses and identify unnecessary costs you could cut back. Adjust your habits if you are overspending. Try spending less on optional items, like clothing, entertainment, and going out to eat. You can also check the Numbeo website, find your benchmark cost of living, and cut your costs accordingly. Budgeting is an ongoing process. Once you have your budget, you need to review your budget each month. Your income or expenses may change from month to month, and it's important to keep your budget updated. Be sure to keep track of your total spending and savings, and adjust your expenses if you need to. At the beginning of each month, take a look at last month's budget and see how you did. This can help you make adjustments for the future. Always remember that the primary purpose of a budget is to save money for investments and your retirement. It could be difficult to increase your income, but spending smart and controlling expenses are relatively easier. Here are some most practical ways to save money. Home expenses, either mortgage or rental, are the largest expenses of all time. You may consider moving to a place where the price of a home and rental is reasonable and affordable. Sharing rental with a partner or friend could save half of the costs as well. The location of your home is also related to your transportation costs. If your community has all that you need close to your home, you may cut your transportation costs to a minimum. Pack lunch and eat at home, minimizing restaurant spending. Making healthy food at home is healthier than eating at a restaurant, also you save lots of money. For internet and phone bills, if you use the same service provider, it will usually give a big discount for several years, maybe with a free cell phone. You can also ask other service providers for a better discounted plan with a new free cell phone. For electricity, water, and natural gas bills, consider plugging any insulation leaks in your home. Using smart power strips, swapping in more energy-efficient appliances, switching to a smart thermostat, taking shorter showers, and fixing leaky pipes. Prepare for grocery shopping for daily necessities. Always make a list for shopping to avoid impulse buying. Try to use as many coupons as possible and buy more of those discounted products. Buy no-name and generic products. Generic brands of medicine, staple food items, Cleaning supplies and paper products cost far less than their marked-up brand-name friends, and they work just as well too. For major purchases, you can save by timing your purchases of appliances, furniture, cars, electronics, and more according to annual sale periods. It's also worth confirming a deal is actually a deal by tracking prices over time. Enjoy free learning, free entertainment, and other free goods and services. The Blue Eden Project can help you find all the best free resources. Now, you understand some important concepts in personal finance: spending, savings, budgeting, investing, and retirement. There are some other important concepts, which are also good to know. The asset is an item you own that has financial value or is expected to have financial value in the future. Like your home, investments, and small businesses. Wealth is your overall financial picture that includes all your assets. Debt, or liability, is the money that you owe someone else, like a mortgage, credit card balance, or loan. Getting out of debt and managing debt will give you peace of mind. And as you're chipping away at debt repayment, the stress will alleviate too. Net worth, or net wealth, is the total value of all of your assets minus the total amount of your liabilities. A personal balance sheet provides an overall snapshot of your wealth at a specific period in time. It is a summary of your assets, liabilities, and net worth. A personal income statement provides an overall snapshot of your income and expenses at a specific period in time. It is a summary of your income, expenses, and savings. Protection, life insurance, and estate planning come in different ways. But it's majorly targeted toward protecting you against unforeseen and adverse events. Insurance is an important part of protecting your financial downside. But neither should you overpay for coverage you don't need. Auto, home, and rental insurances are mandatory and critical. Other insurance, like health, life, and disability insurance, usually comes with your company benefits. You should have a good understanding of all the key terms for your insurance policies, including coverage, deductibles, enrollment period, premium, term, etc. Estate planning is the process of designating who will receive your assets in the event of your death or incapacitation. Often done with guidance from an attorney, one goal is to ensure heirs and beneficiaries receive assets in a way that manages and minimizes estate taxes, gift taxes, and other tax impacts. Taxes are mandatory payments levied on individuals or corporations by a government entity. The purpose of tax planning is the reduction of tax liability by way of exemptions, deductions, and benefits. Considering long-term investments for your taxable accounts will help you to minimize the amount of tax you will pay. Long-term capital gains could be partially exempt from tax. You can also time the realization of your long-term capital gains so that you can be in a lower income tax bracket. This is especially useful for your retirement income. Now, you understand all the important concepts of personal finance. To help you evaluate your current financial status and estimate if you have achieved the minimum requirements for financial freedom or retirement, the Blue Eden Project team has developed a set of self-evaluation worksheets, which you can find on our website. Blue Eden Project can help you find all the best solutions and great ideas for a balanced life. Join Blue Eden Project, achieve a better life, and build a better world. If you like what you learned today and you'd like to keep updated for future content, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.